Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Now download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And if you decided to transfer any app, choose OK in this pop-up. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And tap on the Receive button to connect. Now you need to close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!